Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview strategy optimization. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be access the strategy optimization feature. So all you got to do is to access the strategy optimization feature by clicking on the strategy optimization button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to create a new strategy optimization project. So now that you have strategy optimization open, just go ahead and create a new strategy optimization project. And step 3 is going to be to configure your strategy optimization settings. So go ahead and configure your strategy optimization settings, including the trading strategy, the market data, and of course the optimization parameters. Go ahead and configure that properly, and the fourth and final step will be to run your strategy optimization. So now that you have it all created and configured, go ahead and run your strategy optimization to evaluate the performance of your trading strategy. That's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview strategy optimization. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys